Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Miss Nunes, and I am a computer science teacher working primarily with middle school students this year. We are working our way through the new AI curriculum by code.org. And so today we are on lesson 7, importing models in App Lab. All right, so for level 1, it's very, very simple. All we have to do is run the app and see what kind of books get recommended based on your answers. So we start with running the app, so we're going to click the run button. And then class book recommender. This app can recommend a book to read based on your interests. It's meant for a new student in school so they can read a book that other people in the school have also read and have something to talk about to make new friends. So with that, we're going to click on the arrow and it asks you 4 questions. So which animal do you like the most? Wolf, dragon, cat, or walrus? I'm going to go with dragon. How would your friends describe you? Um, my friends would probably be independent, silly, thoughtful. Any of these would work. But for right now, we're going to go with independent. Where do you like to spend time, outdoors or indoors? I'm definitely an indoor person. And how do you like to spend time, by myself or with friends? I'm going to say by myself for this. So let's see what happens. So predict. All right, so this is predicting that I should read adventure books like Hatchet, which is a fabulous book. I have read that, and I agree. Let's try again. So let's say cat this time. So predict. Oh, okay. So comedy books like a series of unfortunate events. I've never read the books, but I have watched the movie. That was super fun. Let's say I want to spend outdoors, and my favorite animal is a wolf. Predict. Oh, okay. So Hatchet again. All right. And then I don't know what walrus is gonna do, but let's say silly. So walrus silly outdoors with friends. Predict a series of unfortunate events. All right, so lots of different ways that this can run. So we've done everything that we've been asked to do. We're gonna click finish, and I will see you on the next level. Here we go.